Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Hulu error. Hulu is not available in your region, or you may be using a VPN. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to stream content on Hulu, but nothing will play, and the message appears across all devices connected to the home internet. According to our research, this error seems to be a network or IP-related issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Then try launching Hulu again, and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then reset your gateway. Simply unplug your internet router, then wait for around 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Then wait for about 3 to 5 minutes for it to come back online. Then check for the error again. If the error still continues, then visit whatismyip.com and copy your IP address. Then click the option to look up your location. Then make sure the location matches the address on your Hulu account. If the error still persists, then it might be an issue on Hulu ends. We suggest you wait for some time and try again. And in case the issue continues for too long, then we suggest you contact the Hulu support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.